For centuries, the so-called eggshell skull rule has been one of the most controversial parts of tort law. The notion that a defendant can be held liable for seemingly disproportionate damages arising out of a minor infraction seems contrary to our basic sense of justice. And yet, the rule allows a severely injured plaintiff to recover damages from a party who's caused the injury. So maybe it isn't as unfair as it seems. But it remains controversial, as the 1891 case of Vosburg v. Putney demonstrates. On January 1, 1889, 14-year-old Andrew Vosburg injured his right leg above the knee. Andrew's leg appeared to be healing well from the injury. Then, on February 20th, 11-year-old George Putney lightly kicked Andrew's shin during school. Andrew didn't feel the kick at the time, but he soon suffered severe pain. A medical examination revealed a serious infection in Andrew's leg. Medical experts agreed that microbes had likely entered Andrew's leg when he initially injured it on January 1st, but they'd lain dormant until George kicked Andrew. As a result of the kick, the infection revived and proceeded to attack his leg. Andrew needed a number of painful surgeries to remove infected bone and tissue, and his leg was permanently impaired. Andrew's parents sued George and his parents, alleging assault and battery. A Waukesha County Circuit Court jury awarded Andrew $2,800. But the Wisconsin Supreme Court reversed the judgment due to evidentiary errors and ordered a new trial. This second jury, despite finding that George hadn't intended to hurt Andrew, nevertheless awarded Andrew $2,500. And again, George's lawyers appealed to the Wisconsin Supreme Court.